Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Fani Bahtiar. I will explain about milling machine. Okay, go. Number 1. Milling is the process of machining using rotary cutter to remove material by advancing a cutter into a workpiece. Milling is a machine used to reduce the surface of cloth or other objects. This machine is divided into several types based on their respective function, and also consists of several parts and accessories. Machine has several types, among other column and knee milling. On this machine, a vertical column is attached to the base consisting of all gear drivers turning the knee and saddle. The second is vertical milling, the position of spindle on vertical zone. The third is horizontal milling. The spindle on the horizontal milling machine is in a horizontal position. Next is universal milling. The universal milling machine is similar to the horizontal type milling machine. However, the universal milling machine has a table that can be adjusted up to 45 degrees in either direction. Next is fixed bed milling. The spindle in this milling machine is mounted on a movable spindle head, and it can move vertically and horizontally. Besides, it can be used to perform cutting operation. Milling machine has several accessories to support or assist in the milling process. The first is face. The function of face is to grip the workpiece so that it does not move as the milling process is carried out, and so that objects do not rotate following the spindle. The second is dividing head. Serve as to hold the workpiece to be milled with a regular, multifaceted, irregular polygon shape, making gears and others. Next is tailstock. The tailstock used in a milling machine is similar to the head that is found on the standard lathe. It is just that on the headboard part of the milling machine there are holes where the fastening bolts are located. Next is arbor. The arbor on the milling machine has a function as the milling cutter, which is attached to the spindle of the machine. After that is collet. The collet in the milling machine is a cutting tool holder with a handle. Suck on and mill, drill bit and reamer. As a consolation, milling machine is a machine that is driven by using electric motor. This machine it has several types and several accessories, and the machine has several parts. This machine is a machine that makes or work easier. However, before we are able to use this machine, make sure we have studied it first.